Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the review for this Airtel 4G portable Wi-Fi hotspot. And this is the actual unit itself, and I have been testing this for the last couple of days. In fact, I also took it on my vacation to Goa, and it natively supports 4G, but if you don't have 4G, it also supports 3G and 2G. Let me actually show you what it says on the box. It says that we can connect up to 10 users and enjoy 4G even on non 4G devices and stay connected for about 6 hours. In my testing, I would say the battery life was around 5.5 hours or so. And I didn't test it with 10 users simultaneously, but I did connect up to 5 different devices via Wi Fi, and it worked fine. And here again it gives us some of the specifications, and it says that you can connect different devices like tablets, PCs, smartphones, etc. with it. And again it says that it can connect up to 10 different devices, and it has a built-in battery which is a 1500 milliamp hour battery. Regarding the pricing, the price quoted here on the box is 6,000 rupees, but you can purchase this from Airtel store for 2,300 rupees. And actually this comes in the box, and you also get a quick start guide. And the guide says that you can also use this as a Wi-Fi repeater to boost up your existing Wi-Fi network if you want. I did not test that. And we also do get this small cable, and that's it. Let me actually show you the device itself now. Let's put this box to the side, and this is the device itself. As you can see, it's pretty small, and the back actually opens, and here is the battery, which is a user replaceable 1500 milliamp hour battery. And here you'll find the slot where you'll insert your SIM card. I have inserted a 4G SIM card because we have 4G in Hyderabad. But I also tested this in Goa. I was in Goa for a couple of days, and there we don't have 4G, but it latched onto the 3G network there fine, and it worked actually pretty well. And if you notice, here we just have one button. You just press this, and this will go, and it'll take about a minute or so, and it'll establish the connection. If you have 4G, this one will blink, will glow in actually green color. But if you have 3G, it'll be glowing in orange color, and if you have 2G connection, then it'll glow in red. If there is a problem or something like that, it'll glow in red color. So this is how it works. And now you can connect smartphones, tablets, PCs, etc. with this, and you can access Wi-Fi. Let me actually show you. For example, this is the Samsung Galaxy S6, and we'll connect to the Wi-Fi network. And actually it's a complete router. You can access the admin settings. I'll show you all of them a bit later. For example, let's go to Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it's connected to my personal Wi-Fi router. But let's connect it to this hotspot. The name of the hotspot is this Airtel underscore trips, and it should connect in a minute or so. And as you can see, we are getting 4G connection, green, and it says it's connected. And now you can use it normally. For example, let's access Twitter, etc. And as you can see, we can access stuff, and it loads actually pretty quickly. And let's do some browsing. Let's open the Chrome web browser. It's going to the Samsung's website by default. Let's try something else. For example, Rediff. And as you can see, it's loaded it fast. So on 4G, it's actually pretty fast. Even on 3G, it is fairly fast. And as you can see, it loaded the websites, etc. pretty quickly. Let's also try to do a speed test. Let's download an app on this, and let's see. For example, let's download the speed test app. And the admin interface is again like a normal router. For example, let's download this. Again, we are on the 4G, and let's see, it's a 15 meg app, and again, as you can see, pretty fast. So that was my experience overall, actually pretty good. And for example, let's test this 4G speeds that we are getting. Let's go to the settings. Let's select the server. Let's select Beam Telecom, and let's try it. And again, as you can see, we are getting a download of about About 11, 12. The 4G speeds are actually varying a lot in Hyderabad, around 13 meg. Earlier I did test it with other device and it was touching about 18 megabit. So again, yes. But again, the speeds are pretty decent for browsing, etc. I was also watching YouTube videos and that worked fine. So this is the speed test. Let's get out of this and let me actually try to load the admin interface. It's on 192.168.1.1. And as you can see, this is the admin interface and it shows you the interface. Actually, let me just zoom in a little bit. As you can see, it says that we are connected to LTE. That means we are connected to 4G. We can shut it off and we can also check the statistics, usage, etc. You go to the settings and this is the admin interface. You just need to log on. And once you are logged on, you get to a router-like interface that you see typically with the routers. So this is the interface that you have, and you have the Wi-Fi extender functionality. As I was telling earlier, you can change your Wi-Fi settings, firewall, etc. All the typical settings that you see for a Wi-Fi router are available, and actually it's pretty easy if you have used a Wi-Fi router earlier. And in terms of Wi-Fi range, also the Wi-Fi range was also pretty good. I could easily connect it to devices that were even about 20 feet away, so it works pretty well. And as I told you, the battery life is also pretty decent, lasts for about 5.5 hours or so. So I would say that this Airtel 4G portable Wi-Fi hotspot is a pretty decent device if you travel a lot, or for example, let's say you have too many devices on the go, then you can use something like this. And also when we talk about the pricing, it's priced actually pretty attractively in India. It sells for just around 2,300 rupees. So this was my quick review of this Airtel 4G portable Wi-Fi hotspot. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you in my next video.